The military tension between Iran and Israel are escalating day by day. In today's video, we will compare and analyze their military strengths. Let's get started. Military personnel. Israel's armed forces consist of 670,000 military personnel. Of these, 170,000 are active and 465,000 are reserve. Additionally, there are 35,000 paramilitary personnel. On the other hand, Iran has a total of 1,180,000 military personnel. Of these, 610,000 are active and 350,000 are reserve. The Iranian military also includes 220,000 paramilitary personnel. Land forces. Israel has 1,370 tanks, 43,470 armored vehicles, 650 self-propelled artillery, 300 TOW artillery, and 150 rocket projectors. Iran has 1,996 tanks, 65,765 armored vehicles, 580 self-propelled artillery, 2,050 TOW artillery, and 775 rocket projectors. Navy. Israel's navy includes 7 corvettes, 5 submarines, and 45 patrol vessels. Iran's navy includes 7 frigates, 3 corvettes, 19 submarines, 21 patrol vessels, and 1 mine warfare ship. Air Force. Israel possesses 241 fighter jets, 39 dedicated attack aircraft, 12 transport aircraft, 155 training aircraft, 23 special mission aircraft, 14 tanker aircraft, 146 helicopters, and 48 attack helicopters. Iran possesses 186 fighter jets, 23 dedicated attack aircraft, 86 transport aircraft, 102 training aircraft, 10 special mission aircraft, 7 tanker aircraft, 129 helicopters, and 13 attack helicopters. That's the end of our video. If you enjoyed this kind of military content, don't forget to subscribe to VSP Defense. See you in the next video.